Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hello helper, and friend, today I'm going to show you how you can easily use find next and previous in Notepad. So friend, in this tutorial I will show you step by step features of find, text, previous and next. So keep watching. This is a very unique tutorial today I'm going to share with you guys. So friend, first thing first, we are going to open Notepad. Simply click on this start button, then simply type Notepad. Friend, here you can see that this is my Notepad program, and here we want to open existing file of Notepad. So simply click on this file tab, then click on open, and here this is the content we want to open it. Friend, now you can see that I have this text available into this Notepad. So we want to learn about next find and previous find. Okay, simply we are going to copy this word and we're going to find out it, okay, in Notepad. Simply click on this edit menu and then click here with the find next and find previous. If you want to do the find next, you simply press F3, and here the find previous, you simply press shift key then F3 button in your keyboard. Okay, here we are going to simply click on this file 3. So here last time I have searched this word, that's why it is showing this one, but we want to change the word first. Okay, simply press Ctrl then F from your keyboard and then paste your word which you want. Find next word and find previous word. Okay, so we want to do that. So we are going to close these things and simply press from your keyboard. First thing I'm going to show you by the menu. Okay, so here we are then going to click on this find next. So you can see that this word is highlighted, and again I'm going to click here with find next. Friend, you can see that this word is showing over here. Again I'm going to click here and then press find next. So friend, here you can see that that is highlighting word is showing over here. Now we are going to check it out the previous word, right? Simply click here the edit menu and then find previous. You can use your keyboard shortcut. Also I will show you my keyboard shortcut tutorial. Okay, simply click here. So you can see that this is the previous word. Again I'm going to find out the find previous. Okay, so you can see that that word is showing over here. By these things you can use previous, find previous and find next into this tutorial. Okay, now I'm going to show you how we can use the keyboard shortcut. I'm going to press F3 from my keyboard. Okay, so friend, you can see that this is the find next option. Again I'm going to press F3, then you can see that this is showing over here. Again I'm going to press F3, then this is showing this one. Now I'm going to show you the previous, find previous. Okay, simply press shift key then hold it and then press F3. So you can see that this word is going to highlight. This is the previous word, right? By this way you can easily do that very easily by your keyboard. Okay, so friend, this is a tutorial which I want to share with you guys how you can use find next and find previous. So friend, I hope you learned something new. If you learned something new, then please click on like button and share with your friends and family so they can also learn about these things. And if maybe you have any query or question, you can comment me below, so I will give you the answer. Friend, thank you for watching and stay tuned with me. We will meet in next video. Now we are moved to another tutorial of Notepad in our channel. So keep watching. I'm going to show you and stay tuned with me.